Hello there. Today we're going to be talking about magnolias. We're just taking a little wander around our nursery and we've just seen some wonderful magnolias that are starting to bloom, and you definitely need them in your garden today. Here we've got the Leonard Messel. It's a wonderful star-shaped magnolia. It's lovely pink tones and white tones in there. It comes as a small tree, also a large shrubs as well. But the most important thing that you need to realise about this is the wonderful scent that it will produce all across your garden. So we've been walking around our nursery and we've just found another wonderful magnolia here, which is the Fairy Cream. It has this wonderful cream coloured blossom to it, and it produces a lovely scent also as well. It's perfect for more compact gardens. It grows really nicely in a small pot and it shoots up very aggressively, and it's a wonderful plant to have. It's very eye-catching and brings a lovely bloom in early spring in your garden. Another great magnolia that we've just found here today is the Magnolia Coates. As you can see, it's a very tall, slender, regal looking tree. The cup-shaped flower has this wonderful white inside here, and this lovely lavender and pink outside. It's a lovely smell, and as you can see, it's early on in the season, so it's just starting to flower, but you've got all these other wonderful bulbs that are just ready to burst out and spread some lovely colour and striking looks in your garden. So thank you very much for watching. That was only just a small amount of magnolias that we actually have in our nursery. So if you want to find out some more, go to our website, see the wide variety of magnolias that we have that you can purchase today at Gardening Express. If you've liked looking at magnolias with us today, then make sure that you go to our Knowledge Hub for more information on other varieties of plants, also more magnolias too. Make sure you like and subscribe and get to buying, and good luck with growing.